crucial aspect of AI's future in education is understanding that it's a tool for collaboration, not replacement. AI is best seen as a co-pilot that augments human capabilities. For example, AI can handle routines, data-intensive or administrative tasks, freeing up teacher time. Teachers can then focus on higher-level tasks requiring human judgment, empathy, creativity, and complex problem solving. Examples of this type of collaboration include using teachers as facilitators. An AI-powered adaptive platform manages differentiated content while the teacher moves around the classroom, providing human support and addressing emotional needs. Also, AI is a research assistant, and AI summarises research articles for a teacher who then uses that distilled information to inform their lesson planning. AI for feedback drafts. And AI provides initial feedback on student essays, and then the teacher reviews, refines and adds nuances and empathetic comments. The benefits of this are enhanced efficiencies. Teachers can achieve more and focus on what they need to do, what they do best. Improved learning experience. Students receive more personalised attention and resources. Professional growth. Teachers can engage in more complex and rewarding pedagogical activities. The future classroom is one likely where humans and AI work hand in hand, each bringing their unique strengths to the learning environment.